In this video, let's see how to integrate Slack with Gmail. Click on Add Apps under the Apps section. In the search bar, type Gmail. Click Install next to Slack for Gmail. In the Slack Marketplace, click on the Add to Slack button. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, click on the Install button. Select your desired account in the Google Sign-In pop-up. Click the Continue button to proceed. In the Permissions screen, click the Allow button to grant access. Next, go to your inbox and click on the Slack icon in the sidebar. Then open any email on your inbox. In the Slack sidebar, click on Connect to Slack. In the Permissions window, click the Allow button to grant access to Slack for Gmail.